Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And finally, after a long time waiting for this mobile phone, Redmi Note 9 Pro is finally arrived here. As you can see, friends, right now I'll be unboxing this video, and during this time I'll try to explain all the specifications regarding the Redmi Note 9 Pro, what it has got, and what are the things I'm most interested about this smartphone. And recently, even I did unboxing video of the Realme 7 5G or Realme Q2, which has a Dimensity 800U processor. And one thing is that this Dimensity 800U and the Snapdragon 750G processor from this Redmi Note 9 Pro is two processors completely new for me as well. So I'll try to do so many in-depth comparison with versus this Dimensity processor from the Realme smartphone. And even I got the Dimensity 1000 plus from the Realme X7 Pro as well. So this is a Realme X7 Pro which has a Dimensity 1000 plus, and there are so many smartphones which got arrived at the same time. So that's why it's very much tight schedule for me to make so many videos on each and every smartphone. So be patient friends, try to comment below what video you want and I'll make that video as soon as possible, but I cannot guarantee, but I'll try my best to do the video on that topic. And in case if you want to know more details about the any of the smartphones, try to check the links in description and make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly friends, and also share my channel with your friends, and make sure to increase my subscriber count as soon as possible, so that in the future I should be getting the review unit so that I can give so many giveaway to my fans as well. So right now I'm buying all these phones with my own money, so that's why it's a kind of very difficult for me to give the giveaway at the moment. But maybe in the future, definitely once I start receiving the review units, I'll definitely give the giveaway for my subscribers. So as you can see friends, the Redmi Note 9 Pro, finally the phone is here. And the first most interesting thing about this smartphone is that 108 megapixel which is present in this phone, so which is really good for this mid-range segment. I did not even expect this kind of 108 megapixel phones to be arriving right now, but here it is friends. This is a phone which I am waiting for a very long time, so which is also a 5G mobile phone as well. So in this video, let me get through the one by one in specifications about this phone, as you can see, which looks fantastic in terms of this 108 megapixel. But definitely I'll try to test this 108 megapixel in depth on this mobile phone. And luckily the screen guard is also provided in the within the phone as well, so I don't need to buy any other screen guard. So let me try to go through these specifications of this real Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. The phone has the 6.5 inches screen size, and which is of I think 120 Hz refresh rate. So let me check. Yeah, 120 Hz refresh rate and IPS LCD panel, HDR10 certified, as you can see here. So that's the thing about the display. So 120 Hz is another good thing, and 6.67 inches also is a very big screen as well. And next it has got the Snapdragon 750G processor and Adreno 619 as well GPU, as you can see here. So this is the thing about the processor as well. So processor is very good, and the refresh rate is also very good, 120 Hz. So this phone is going to be very the best mobile phone for the gamers, most of the gamers. So definitely friends, stay tuned by subscribing. As I said, I'll be doing so many in-depth battery test as well in this mobile phone. So regarding the battery, 4820, so this is where the little bit battery I did expect close to 5000 mAh or maybe a little bit more as well, but that's not the case here. So 4820 mAh with 33 watt fast charging only, not more than that. So that's only 33 watt fast charging. So right now I did open everything, as you can see. Let me try to quickly show you the RAM and everything what about this phone. The phone has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB memory, as you can see here. 6 GB RAM variant and 128 GB memory, and out of 128 GB, 18 GB is already occupied, as you can see here clearly. So this is the thing about this battery, display I did cover. And let me talk about the camera. As you can see here friends, camera is 108 megapixel, 8 megapixel 2+2 as well. And the front camera is of 16 megapixel. There is nothing much special about the front camera. So and there is also I think a micro SD card support as well. I think it's an hybrid SIM slot. So this is a quick review, and over the weight of this phone is about 215 grams as well. The weight for this Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G is 215 grams, so which is not too heavy as well. So this is a quick introduction about these mobile phones. Overall, I did like the color and everything is pretty good. So in the future, I'll be trying to test so many things about this phone regarding the speaker test, haptic feedback test, and so many other different tests. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, friends, and for more details as well. So let me even show you what box it what are the things it has got in the box as well. So let me quickly open this box. I think there must be some kind of case, I think so. Yeah, there is a case provided in the box. So let me see the quality of the case. So usually I don't like this kind of cheap quality cases. So I did like only one of the mobile phone from the Poco F2 Pro. This is a Poco F2 Pro which has got very good case, but this is a kind of different case which they are offering right now. This is not the transparent case, as you can see, friends. So this kind of unique type which they implemented here. So that's another good touch on this mobile phone. So once everything, all the setup is done, once I install everything, then I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark comparison. That is the first things I need to do on this mobile phones. Overall, even holding the phone is also looks very good, the premium as well, so there is no issues. And I'll try to do so many videos, as I said. Make sure to follow me regularly. And let me even open the other things in the box. What are the things it has got here? So charging adapter and the charging cable as well. And recently they started to implement this kind of red colored cable instead of white normal color. As you can see, red color USB cables. The Realme, they choose the yellow color, and the I think Redmi, they choose the red color because of the red, I think so, in their naming. So this is a quick unboxing video of this Redmi Note 9 Pro. And as I said, make sure to comment below what are the things you want me to do review on this mobile phone, and I'll try to review as many videos as possible. And the next upcoming days will be very tight schedule for me to make so many reviews and so many videos on this Dimensity 800U processor and the Snapdragon 750G processor as well. So make sure to comment below, friends, what are the videos you want me to make on this mobile phone. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.